What did I always say? Cardano, you never want to give up on Cardano, even though, yes, I have said Cardano sometimes goes and does not move. And Haskell is a very, very, very difficult language and not a whole lot of activity on chain. But that Bitcoin OS integration, a lot of people are excited about it. But I did say in 2021, what happened? A lot of non-movement, and then boom, it went up and skyrocketed. And that's what happened. Like, all of a sudden it went up 40%, guys. And maybe more to come. And then Avalanche, which has been super, super stale, also started skyrocketing. And then everything else in between. Ethereum, way above 3,200 now, also going up. Everything's going up. All the alts are going up. I mean, this is why holding and DCA is the right move, is because of days like this and weeks like this. And what did I tell you guys the last few weeks, right? Retail has been scared. Bitcoin has been led by institutions. But I did say, once Bitcoin breaks into all-time high, I feel like that's when retail comes back in, because the confidence comes back, and that's when retail will start putting their money in. And that's exactly what we saw this past week and this past weekend. Retail came back in hard. Not only that, I think whales came back in. I showed you guys a lot of statistics with USDT, large amounts being deposited into the exchanges, hundreds of millions being deposited. Not only that, billions also being minted and being deposited. And you know what? Why do you think that's happening? It's because they are using that to buy Bitcoin and crypto. That's why. Look at this scenery. It's just look at behind me. It's just beautiful. It's beautiful outside. I mean, the architecture in Dubai is just so new. It's just really nice. This is the second time I've been here. I'll turn around. I mean, there's a lot of people taking pictures and stuff. It's hot out here. But you know what's nice about Dubai is, even though it's like 90 degrees outside, it's not that humid, so it's tolerable. But at night, it cools down to like 70 something degrees. So it's actually nice and cool, and around this area, this mall area, you could eat outside and have a nice view of the fountain. And there's a fountain show. And this fountain show is better than the one in Vegas. Same designers. And you get a nice show while eating dinner. And it's better than the one that's outside of the Venetian, I think, which is quite nice. See, I'll show you real quick. So, you know, see this is the restaurants, right? So pro tip, if you ever come here, you want a nice dinner, and a show, you come out here to Dubai Mall, pick one of these restaurants that's on the ground floor, basement level, not even the ground floor, basement level, and pick one that has an outdoor seating area, asked to be seated outside, and you'll get one of the nicest views. It's spectacular. It really is spectacular. And this fountain area, this bay area, is quite nice. Anyways, back to me. Yeah, so I mean, it's just good all around. It's good to feel the excitement. You know, I've always said in my streams, the concept of feeling dirty. Like you wake up and you see your portfolio go up 10, 15% every single day. You know, we're not quite there yet, but I think this weekend we got a little glimpse of that, especially when we have these alts pumping up 10, 15, 20, 40%. It's a small glimpse of that. And I think we're going to continue to see that this month and in December. We're going to close out this year, I think, absolutely fantastic. Absolutely fantastic. I think there's nothing stopping us, really. I mean, the Trump election, the Trump election really kicked things off. A lot of people really waiting for that to happen. Markets just like kind of at a standstill. Now that has happened, a lot of events are going full swing, and markets are soaring. Money is being put in everywhere. I anticipate that the stock market this week is going to absolutely explode, and crypto will continue on going. Bitcoin, probably by the time you guys watch this, Bitcoin will probably be above $80,000. So my prediction of hitting 80,000 by October, I was slightly off, just a week off. But the way we're going right now, it would not surprise me. I mean, we're still early, very, very early. It would not surprise me that Bitcoin closes out this month. Hey, maybe it closes out at $90,000. And then we close out December well above 100,000. Now I'm seeing predictions, like I saw Tom Lee, a fund strat, saying that it's guaranteed that Bitcoin closes around 150,000 by the end of the year. 150,000, what the hell? I'm not even that bullish. I'm not even calling 150,000 by the end of this year. That's crazy. But imagine if that happens. If that happens, how high will the alts be? Is Ethereum going to like close out the year at 8,000 or 10,000? That's the case, and I'm not even bullish on Ethereum. What about Solana? Where's Solana going to close? What about Avalanche? And what about even Cardano and BNB and Sui and everything else that's been pumping? I forgot about Sui. Sui's like going to break $3 and going to continue on. I mean, it's just so exciting. And the alts, not only the alts, the memes, a lot of the smaller memes that have been absolutely destroyed and beaten, they are coming back as well. So, man, when you stand under the Burj Khalifa, it's like, it's so damn tall. I have not been up there, but in case, another pro tip, if you want to go up there, you don't try to go into the building. You have to go into the mall, again on the ground floor, and then you have to buy a ticket to go up there. It's like $100 something bucks, but that's how you go up there. You don't try to go to the building. You go into the mall, go to the ground floor, there's like a desk where you buy a ticket, and that's how you go up. Another pro tip.